Do you only use cook to refer to cooking food? There are actually many specialized cooking terms in English. Let's take a look together. Grill, such as grilled chicken and grilled skewers. Roast, such as roasted turkey and roast Peking duck. Broil. Broil is a cooking method that uses upper heat in an oven to grill food until it has a golden and caramelized surface. Some dishes that can be prepared using broil include grilled steak, fish, vegetables, sandwiches, and more. Broil allows for quick cooking that results in a crispy exterior while keeping the interior moist, making it a fast and delicious cooking technique. Such as broiled Cantonese-style barbecue pork. Fry, such as fried potato chips and fried spring rolls. Sear. Sear, typically used when searing large cuts of meat such as steaks, involves high-heat cooking to seal the surface and lock in the juices. Smoke, such as smoked salmon and smoked duck. Boil. Boil refers to the process of heating water to a high temperature until it reaches boiling point, and then cooking or heating the ingredients in the boiling water, usually to cook the ingredients or prepare soups and stews. Such as boil noodles. Poach. Poach involves slowly cooking the ingredients in water heated to a temperature close to boiling point, with a lower temperature than boiling water. This cooking method is typically used for delicate meats or fish that require gentle cooking, as the lower temperature of the water prevents the ingredients from overcooking. Poach can also be used for cooking eggs, such as poached eggs. Therefore, although boil and poach are both water-based cooking methods, their details and purposes are different. Braise, such as braised pork belly and braised beef brisket. Bake. Bake is a cooking method that involves baking food in an oven, such as cakes, cookies, vegetables, and more. Baking usually takes a longer time and requires the use of oil or other seasonings to enhance the flavor. You can bake a cake and bake lasagna. Toast. Toast is a cooking method that involves using a toaster or oven to heat bread slices, resulting in a golden and crispy surface. Toasting usually takes a shorter time and does not require the use of oil or fat. In summary, toasting is a quick cooking method typically used for foods like bread slices, while baking is a longer cooking method typically used for foods like cakes and cookies. Sauté. Sauté is a method of quickly cooking food in a hot pan, usually with less oil and constant stirring to evenly distribute heat. Sautéing is a shorter process and involves smaller cuts of food, such as searing a steak or stir-frying vegetables. Stir-fry, on the other hand, is a technique of quickly cooking food in a wok at high heat, typically with more oil and the use of stir-frying techniques to ensure even cooking. Stir-frying is also a shorter process and involves smaller cuts of food, such as stir-fried vegetables or fried rice. Overall, the main difference between sautéing and stir-frying lies in the tools and techniques used, but both methods involve quickly cooking small cuts of food to retain their nutritional value and texture. Simmer, such as chicken noodle soup and simmered tofu. Steam, such as steamed fish and steamed pork dumplings.
Today's vocabulary. Skewer. Golden and caramelized surface. Crispy. Exterior and interior. Moist. Cooking technique. Seal the surface. Lock in the juices. Ingredients. Stews. Temperature. Boiling point. Delicate. Overcooking. Poached egg. Seasoning. Enhance the flavor. Slices.
If you enjoy this content, Please consider subscribing to my channel to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.